Lose belly fat workout for beginners. For people who just started working out, an intense fitness routine is not necessary since it will discourage many from continuing with this new journey. Yes, an intensive exercise routine can speed up your fat burning and belly fat loss goal. However, low-intensity exercises that target the tummy are ideal for beginners. In this video, we will share with you some exercises that are designed for beginners to burn belly fat. Here are some of the workout routines that you can do at home. Note, however, that 30 minutes brisk walk daily combined with these workouts will surely help you achieve your goals quicker. Leg extension crunch. Start by lying on the floor with your legs extended, knees toward the ceiling, and your heels touching the ground. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Lock your fingers at the back of your head, and then bend your knees. Next, lift your shoulders, head and neck while straightening your left knee in such a way that your leg is around 2 feet off the floor. For 5 seconds, hold this position, and then move your left knee into your chest. As you lift your shoulders, head, and neck off the ground once again, straighten your right leg. Do this exercise 2 times for each leg. Isometric sit-up exercise. Do this exercise by lying on your back, knees bent, and the soles of your feet touching the ground. Position your hands behind your head, and then bend your elbows such that they are pointing out on either side. Move your shoulders off the floor while engaging the muscles in your abs. Move your hands to your upper thighs and then hold this position for 16 counts. Take a deep breath and move your hands to the back of your head again as you exhale. As you inhale, bring your shoulders back to the floor and then make 8 repetitions. Toe touches. While lying on your back, bend your knees at a 90-degree angle and position your feet up in the air such that your calves are parallel to the ground. Press your palms against the ground and keep both arms placed at your sides. Touch your left toe to the ground while keeping your abs tensed, and then return your leg to the starting position. Do the same with the other leg. Perform 25 repetitions for each leg. Twisting sit-up. Begin this exercise by lying on your back, knees bent, and feet flat on the floor. Place both hands at the back of your head, but make sure that you don't put the weight of your head on them. Lift your shoulders off the ground while keeping your abdominal muscles tensed, and then turn your torso to the left, return to the center, and then twist your torso to the other side. Next, return to the center and then get back to your starting position. Do 8 repetitions of this exercise. The exercises shown here are simple, yet effective for beginners. You can perform these exercises until you become comfortable enough to move to more challenging workouts. Doing this, you will be able to tone your abdominal muscles gradually until you are ready for high-intensity workouts. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.